Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host, Eben, and today we're going to be talking about my Corvette car accident here in Las Vegas. It happened 5.5 months ago. Well, let's take a look.
If it's me, and he's always right there in that right spot to break up the play. And it's his play away from the puck, it's his decision making with the puck, it's the lack of panic. It's not laziness.
Are you okay, man? Yeah, you just went right in front of me. I never saw.
Are you sure you're not on rainbow?
Yeah.
I looked over, I couldn't see you in my mirror.
Yeah, you just went right in front of me, man.
My fault, brother.
All right.
I sincerely apologize.
Fuck.
I need your location.
Shit. I'm on, what is the cross streets here?
I think we just passed Russell and Rainbow.
Russell and Rainbow.
Or Patrick and Rainbow or something.
Yeah.
Alright, sorry.
If it's me, and he's always right there in that right spot to break up the play.
I know, it's funny. It's hilarious. But it's really good to have a dash camera, as you can see. I have the Ventura N2 Pro. Really good forward and backwards camera, like you saw, 1080p. Well, now we're gonna take a trip over to the body shop and we're gonna go ahead and assess the damage. Just getting her put on the flatbed. We're gonna take her over to get fixed up. That's what we got here. And well, we're just making it happen, all right? It's gonna be a while. I won't get a chance to see my wife, but hopefully we'll be together again soon. Here at Express Collision Center, and we're getting my car handled. Basically, this is Jim's shop, really great guy. He's going to be assessing the car, seeing the level of damage. They're going to tear it down, and we'll hear from Jim in a second. There she is. We're here with Jim. Jim's the owner of Express Collision Center. And so Jim, tell us a little bit about the process to get her all started.
Well, what we've got here is we've got a Corvette that had someone pull out and cut him off. And so you can see the damage that we see on the side. So before the insurance company's written an estimate for the visual damage on it, which unfortunately on this a little bit more expensive than usual. But what we'll do at this point, once the customer's approved the repair, we have a copy of the estimate. We input the estimate in our system. We'll do the disassembly on the car. We take the fender off, we pull the door off, we'll put the car up on a lift. We have a GM scanner that we'll plug into the car that will tell us any codes that are existing. They're either stored small codes from before the accident or codes as a result of the accident. We'll do a pre-scan on it before beginning repairs, before disassembly. Then we'll know what codes existed in the car before the repairs. Then naturally, as we're moving the car through the shop, if it does become anything repairable, and we'll have things unplugged, so more codes will probably come up from that. We'll make sure whether that is repairable or not repairable. And for us, repairable means we guarantee our repairs for the life of the car. A lot of body shops will say they repair a lifetime warranty, but then that's only for as long as you own the car. For us, the next owner deserves to have be assured of a proper repair also.
I like that. Great.
So that's why we take these extra steps. There are certain things that we will or will not allow an insurance company or a payer to determine is acceptable. We choose the General Motors or whichever manufacturer's guidelines for repairing the car correctly. Again, when this car is completed, we receive a post-scan to make sure that there are no existing codes. And any codes that are already in the computer of the post-scan will be correct. The car gets test-driven to make sure that none of these codes This has some scratches on the wheels, so even though the insurance company didn't identify any suspension damage, we'll be insisting on alignment on it so that we unsafe driving or unusual transport.
Awesome.
Our paint on the car is going to be painted exactly the same way as the factory. We are the only body shop in the state of Nevada that has a paint curing robot.
Wow.
What that means is that we are able to completely cure the paint the same way as the factory.
Wow.
With shortwave and infrared radio, infrared heat. As a result of that, the car will maintain the same scratch and chip resistance as the factory paint job has.
Wow.
Which is one of the things that allows us to get the life of the vehicle warranty.
Wow. That's impressive. Thanks, Jim. Really appreciate the thoroughness. Very thorough. All right. We'll be back for more info.
Take care, folks.
We're here back at Express Collision, and the final determination is done. The car is totaled. It exceeded about what percent of the value? Over 50%? Does it have to, or 60?
65%.
It has to be over 65%, and we're going to go over what broke on it right this second. So we'll take a look. You got what the light here is broken, and what are some of the prices on this stuff, Kurt? What do you say?
Without the estimate.
All right, that's fine. All right, all right, that's good. So this is broken. This panel,
Fender, the apron panel,
the
the rear half of the fender liner,
fender liner.
some pretty serious damage on the rocker panel here. That's gonna
Rocker
need to be
panel,
addressed.
no frame. It doesn't look like the frame has really been touched.
And then when the apron panel crushed in right here, it also damaged the cowl vent cover.
So this needs to be replaced too.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
It's a textured piece, so we can't fix texture. So whenever it's damaged, that'll require replacement to be correct.
All right.
Okay. A couple of the open items still on the estimate, although we've torn it down and we're able to identify everything that needs to be repaired to make the car look correct. A couple of the things that we are not sure about is the wheel. The wheel is written to be reconditioned.
All right.
So if the wheel
show you
is-
guys the wheel. Yep.
If the wheel is out of true, it'll need to be replaced. And an alignment needs to be done on the vehicle after repairs to verify the suspension. So there's a high degree of probability that there's some damage to the suspension as well. In addition, the pre-scan on the vehicle did show an electrical open circuit to the throttle actuator. That's something that would also need to be addressed. So although the teardown is part of the process to assess the damage to the car, there are still things that we can't diagnose at this stage that has to be a consideration.
All right, perfect. Yeah, so that really sums it up. So if you guys ever come over here, basically, I'm going to swing around here so it's a little better with the light, but Kurt is the manager,
Yep.
and Jim is the owner, which you guys just saw, and they took excellent care of me. This is a great shop here, right here in Vegas. Our cross streets are
Nearest intersection is Russell and Decatur.
Russell and Decatur, and there's people that have Corvettes actually shipped here from all over the country. So a guy from Arizona, guys from all over, they're having them get done here because they have the experience. So if you want your car done right, this is definitely the place. And it's just kind of sad to say goodbye to my car. You know, it's the 24-hour Le Mans edition, as you guys seen all the videos. That's it. That's a little piece that came off in the accident. And there's the beautiful dash, and that's pretty much it. It's all. This is the trailer to my Ceramic Pro 9H video coming up soon on my YouTube channel. I want to show you what my car looks like. Come on over. Hey, I hope you really enjoyed the video and you enjoyed my experience. I know it was a little nutty, but we got through it. The car is completely gone now. I got paid out on the total. I ended up getting about $3,000 less than what it was worth. And it's just a battle with the insurance, but no big deal. You just have to live and learn, and you make a difference next time. If you don't have one, I'm going to go ahead and put a video right here in the corner. I did a whole unboxing on this camera and how great it is, and that pretty much sums it up. If you enjoyed this, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, you're going to want to subscribe for information on protecting your vehicles. And well, we'll see you back next time on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.